right here we got the garbage truck. And we have two exclusive trashies here. I think it's like a wheel and an oil can. This is really cool. I've been waiting to open it. Then here's the back. You could pause it. It'll show the whole back here. And you guys could pause it if you want to see, because I'm not going to read the whole thing. Yeah. Okay. So, now let's just take the two exclusive trashies out. I'm really excited. I've been wanting this, and I've been trying to get it, but I couldn't. Ah, these are hard to open. Hold on. Come on, guys. Warning. If you get the garbage truck, they are hard to open. Okay. So here's one. And here's two. This is so cool. These are, you can only get these in the garbage truck. I've been wanting these. This is the oil can and the wheel. And for the oil can, you could also put on your finger to like pretend you're putting the thing. So that's what we got. Okay, now for the garbage truck. Woo! Katie, can you? Here, I'll hold it. I'll hold the camera. Yeah. Oh yeah, and you could check Reagan Zilla's videos. He has some trash pack videos and BS Trouble. And if you take the trash can out, you could use this as a stage. Guys, this is serious. This is so cool. We should have opened it before we made the video. But this is so cool, guys. So, the two exclusive trashies come in as normal. They come in these thingies. I think this one belonged to the wheel. This one belonged to the oil can. This is so cool, guys. Oh my gosh. He is so cool. He has a pointy thingy. And the wheel. Oh my gosh, the wheel's so squishy.
So hard to open.
Sorry guys, taking too long. Is it out? Tell me which exclusive trashy you like. The wheel, scummy wheel, or rancid oil.
Ta-da!
So yeah, for this you can take all the trash things out and use this as a stage. Is there anything at the bottom? Here, hold it. No, nothing at the bottom. Okay. Oh my gosh, guys, so this is so cool. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here's the two exclusive trashies. Okay, so now let's talk about this thing right here. Woo! So you can put these trashies. Oh no, let's talk about this one first. Wow, this is so cool. So you could put your trashies like this, and that, and oh, whoops. and they won't fall, I think. Let's see if they fall. They didn't fall. There. And right here, go put your trashies in here. It has the hole thingies they could put it in.
Show the holes.
Oh yeah, these are the holes. And
Does the wheel move? Steering wheel?
no, it doesn't, but it would be awesome if it did, but the chair can move. So yeah, that's one thing. And it looks like you could store your trash cans in here, like that. Yeah. And then there's little rubber splats in here. So, yeah. So let's close that. Okay, now let's talk about this. So, right here, let's grab one trashie. Right here, there's like a thing that you could put your trashies on. And then after, when you put that there, you slap the hand, and then it launches. Let's see how far it can launch. It launched right there. Let's try it again. It's right here. It's really cool. So yeah, and then you could put some trashies in here. And then use these thingies right there to, oh yeah, and these have wheels on it. Dump it in. It's really cool. And nothing is left in there. So yeah, and right here, hold on. You could put trashies on these thingies. Like that. So yeah. That's basically all the things in the garbage truck. And here and you could see right through it. You could see in it. So yeah, that's all the that's the trash can. That's the garbage truck. Woo, that's cool. Thank you for watching. Bye.